What is going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I am joined with my brother, Mr. Mechanic. How you doing? Okay, good talk. Today we're gonna be doing some changes to the 350Z once again. I know I told some people I was gonna make a video last week, but shipping was a little bit off. And let's show you what we have. What we have right here, guys, is brand new headlights from Depot. As you can see, that one has water and that one is a little foggy. So we're gonna be getting brand new headlights, brand spanking new, and looking pretty. And you can see the old ones are pretty bad. That one actually has a turn signal, it doesn't work. This one, not so much. See, that one's not too bad. But those just look so good. Let's get into the unboxing here now. You gonna help me, bud?
Yeah.
Maybe, eventually. The unboxing. Be very careful. Actually, they have nice packaging. Whoa, a box inside a box inside a box. Bulbs inside. Okay, a box inside a box inside a box. This one has an R, so I'm guessing it's the right. Put it over here. And this one has a left.
Yeah, you go for that.
So let's throw it over here. Big on top. I gotta look at the headlight. That looks insane. Hey. Check it out. Yo. How good this looks.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the size of that projector. Woo! Here, let's hold it up to the old one. Yo! How lit is that? Ah! Exciting! The old one. I think what happened here is the cables were rubbing on the tires because I don't have fender liners. As you can see, this was sitting right there and these cables were rubbing on the tire.
Make sure you make the same mistake.
I'll try not to make the same mistake. I'll probably tape them like closer to the headlight or something like that. Ow! I will sue you, Nissan. You kill me with that. Alright, quick cut to explain to you why I'm in not my car and driving. Turns out the bulbs that my car comes with are not the same bulbs that I need for the new headlights, so I'm doing a quick run to the parts store to get new bulbs for my headlights. they have it in stock, so I'm just gonna go pick them up and run right back and finish the install. So see you then. Finally something went right. I'm back home. As you saw from the last clip, we had to run to the store and get new bulbs. I took the lamp with me just to make sure it fit. So now I already have the one bulb in. I'm gonna need to do the other side, and I'm gonna show you how to do that there. But this is what the old bulb looks like. And now let me get the new one to set it side by side and you can see what it looks like. Alright, so here is the new bulb compared to the old one. It is much bigger and it's probably better. And also the mounting holes are not the same, so that was like the biggest issue. This smaller one, older one, did not fit into the new headlight, so that's why you need this one. This is a D2R, which is the 2003 bulb, and then this one, as you can see here, it's a D2S, which is the one you need. So yeah, a little bit of information. If you're gonna be doing this yourself, you're gonna need new bulbs if you have a 2003 Nissan. In order to put the gasket in. And here is the part number from Nissan if you need it, just to make it easier on yourself. I tried getting it at a local parts store, but they didn't sell it. Okay, can we turn it on now? Oh, baby! Look at the difference. Look at the difference from that. From that to that. Let's turn on the high beam. Bro, does the high beam work? Can you check if it switches to the high beam?
That's the low beam, that's the high beam. Low, blink.
Ready for the final reveal. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Oh my god, that is beautiful! That's actually amazing. So we went from this to this. Wow. I'm actually amazed. I am actually amazed. Love how clean they are. Alright, next one. Let's get it done in 3, 2, 1, go. And done. Now I just have to put on the front bumper and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna leave that one on to put on the front bumper. I should have done it with the other one, but just in case it gets scratched. So yeah, see ya. Alright, and the install is finally complete. Here I've laid out the old lamps. You can see this one had water in it. And here right next to the new ones. Like I was saying, look at the size of this little projector compared to this one. Like it's huge. Oh my god, I love them. Absolutely love them. If you want to go ahead and follow my Instagram, I'll put it right down here. I'm gonna take a picture of it at night just to show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So try to give it a like. Let's reveal this last one. Oh, that's so satisfying. That's so satisfying. Oh no, don't get stuck. Here we go. We got the wheels, we got the headlights. What's next? I'm thinking either the ducktail spoiler thingy or maybe rear lights, intake, a tune. I don't know. Leave a comment what you want to see next, and maybe that might just be what happens. Could be lights, could be intake, could be a tune, some more power, some more looks. That banner up there is gonna get fixed. Okay, that has been the new headlight install. Thank you for watching. You can go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, leave comments, recommendations, what you want to see next. Let me know if you like them, most of all. Especially let me know if you like them, because I absolutely love them. So yeah, take care, see you guys, peace out, till the next one. Alright guys, so it is much later at night and I'm not even home anymore, but just wanted to show you the headlights and how good they perform. Not just the way they look, but how good they perform. So let's go ahead and start turning them on. So right here we have the parking lights. They look so dope. Like on video they're kind of bright, but in real life they're just like this amber color that just looks amazing. Anyways, moving on. I hope my battery doesn't die doing this. Here we have the regular low beams. Pretty good, pretty good. And you can see the 3 lines turned on the side, bugs flying, big projector, as well as the amber lights on top. And the 4 little, I love this little 4 lights. I don't know why, for some reason. I just do. Okay, next up we have the high beam. Coming out of the same projector, same amber lights. On the other side. And in case you forgot, this is with the light bar. And that's down there. So lighting game is on point right now. Let's go back from 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed.